Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we're going to go over our weekly expenses. We are going to unstuff our envelopes so that we can go ahead and pay back that credit card. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and stick around for this video. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we are going to go ahead and start off with our cash envelopes today. All right, I did not spend anything out of my personal envelope, but we spent some things in groceries. So let's go ahead and see what it is that we spent there. So for groceries, I did go to Lidl this week. I spent $40.83 there. I then went to Trader Joe's and I spent $83.68 there. And we did have to get a few things from BJ's. We needed more laundry detergent, fabric softener, that kind of stuff from there this week, and that was $61.80. So all of that added up together, we have a grand total of $186.31. We're going to go ahead and unstuff $187 from groceries. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87. And so in groceries, we are left over with 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So $42 are left over in groceries. And let's put all this money away over here. All right, next up, gas. Both me and my husband did fill up on gas this week. So let's see what we spent in gas. I spent $45.40. My husband spent $54.34. And y'all, I'm getting pretty good at guessing how much I need for gas because we spent everything except for 16 cents. So let's just make sure that we do have that $100 in here, and we're going to take it all out. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And that is all coming back over here. All right. Next up is pet care. I did have to get my pups some more dry food this week and a few cans of the wet food, and that came out to $49.74. So we are going to go ahead and just take $50 out of here. Let's see. I'm going to take 60 and bring back 2 5s. So left over in pet care, we've got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20 left over in pet care. All right, dining. We went out twice. I was off last weekend, and so I did my video a little bit early, and we ended up going out Saturday evening, and then we also went out on Sunday evening as well. So on Saturday, we went out to this cute little restaurant that was on the water, and we spent $109.67 there. And then on Sunday, we went out for drinks, and we spent $68.44 there. And again, y'all, 89 cents is what was left over after those 2 trips. So still within budget, but we are taking everything out of here today. So we are taking out 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So $179 is going back towards that credit card. And we are moving on. Nothing is coming out of fun or miscellaneous. Let's see. I do need to take something out of subscriptions. If y'all haven't seen my last video, I now have a subscription binder. And I do have more envelopes coming for it. So this one says subscriptions, but this is actually going to be for my iCloud. And we are taking the $3 out that is each month. And I don't really have a color for this right now, so I'm just gonna say it's a bill. I am gonna have to kind of reevaluate what colors I'm using for things now. All right, so that is it for subscriptions. And then we do have one thing coming out of sinking funds, and that is our health sinking fund. We needed some, just like pre-workout and stuff. So let's see, we are looking for health. There it is. And that was $81.56. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out $82. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. All right, so left over in health, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $31. Oh, and I need to mark that off that I took it out. And that was 31. All right, so everything is unstuffed. Now we just have to double check that we have everything that we need to go back towards those credit cards. We did spend a total of $598.45. So I'm assuming we have around $599 here. So let's count these 20s. We've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40. So that is 540, 560, 570, 580, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That seems like more. So let me just double check this. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, so 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600, 601. Okay, that sounds better. All right, so we have $601 that we will deposit into our account to go ahead and make sure that we pay off that credit card. All right, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope y'all are having a wonderful weekend. You are enjoying your Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow with our server income video. I hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see you then. Bye.